Greetings, folks. Today is going to be a fun day. We're going to cook up something really different. Well, it's different for me anyway. Have you ever heard of eating cactus? Well, my good friends told me about eating cactus, and they've given me a recipe on making cactus dip, which I'm going to show you. But then we're going to take it a step further and make it into a pizza. Well, today we're going to do something a little different. Today we're going to make a cactus pizza. Now, the first thing we're going to do is make the cactus dip. Now, I did not know how to do that. I have some friends, Tommy and Brenda, that introduced me to this. And I'd probably said this wrong, but nopalitos. Anyway, it is cactus. Now, it looks like green beans, but it's not green beans. So you get it usually you find it in like the Spanish section where the Mexican food is. So, and the only jar you can get is this large jar. So what you need is about 2 cups of the cactus. And then I'm going to use a whole jar of this salsa. And I've got some ground beef cooking over there. So it's a pound of ground beef. I actually put an onion in there to cook that up with it. And these are those little tiny peppers. So that's going to go in there too. And you just put a splash of honey just to kind of, I don't know what exactly it does, but anyway, it is the magic ingredient, they told me. So anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this, and then you eat it really as a dip with chips. But what I'm gonna do is I've got one of those little small pizzas that a frozen pizza I'm gonna cook in the air fryer, and I'm gonna put this on top of that pizza. It's a little cheese pizza, and I'm gonna put this on top with some shredded cheese, the shredded mozzarella cheese, and that's going to go on top of the pizza. So anyway, we're going to put all this together and then we'll check back. Okay, now I've got everything all together. I had drained that meat, and I put the cactus and the salsa in there, and then just kind of squirted a little bit of honey in there. So I'm letting this kind of cook down, because you can see it's I got a lot of liquid, so we want to kind of thicken it up. And once it gets pretty much to where we want it to be, then we're going to add these, because they told me to add those at the last minute so that they will blend in but still have a little crunch to the peppers. So that's what we're doing. Okay, everything's all put together, and this is the cactus dip. And we're going to do a taste test. So, let me get a little stuff on this chip. That's good. You need to try this, just as a dip. It's really good. But we're going to take it a step further and make a pizza out of it. So stay tuned for round 2. Okay, my cactus dip is ready. And what I've done is, all right, I got this little Totino's triple cheese pizza. And I put it down here in my air fryer. And then I dipped up some of this cactus dip. And then I'm going to top it with this mozzarella cheese I've grated up. So I'm going to put it in the air fryer for like at 400. We're going to try about 15 minutes and see what happens. All right, we've got it in here, getting ready to kick it off. 400 degrees, 15 minutes. As you can see, I put the cheese on top, so we'll see what happens. All right, get cooking. Okay, this is how it came out. I think it looks pretty good. I pulled it out of the air fryer and cut it in half. And we're getting ready to chow down. Check it out. Well, folks, I'm here to tell you this is a winner chicken dinner. It is fabulous. You need to try this cactus dip. And you know what else I did with it besides make a pizza? I decided to make cactus chili. I took some of that stuff and I threw a few other little stuff in there, and we had one big feast. So give it a try.